Hey YouTube, we're sailing on the world's largest cruise ship, Star of the Seas, and we want to give you an exclusive look at our interior stateroom on Deck 9. Let's go. Welcome to an interior room with the Central Park view on Star of the Seas. Over here you have your couch. That pulls out to make another bed. Then you have your view of Central Park. This room has an obstructed view, but you still can see Central Park. Really pretty. Now you have your vanity. You have a few drawers over here. And here's a refrigerator. It's really small. It's smaller than like usual, but it'll get the job done. So it looks like you have
It's a big one right here.
3 drawers. Yeah, 2 big drawers and 1 smaller drawer. You have your lamp. And here you have some charging stations, some ports. This is a newer ship, so you have some of those USB ports, even the C port. You have this universal plug right here. It just plugs right in. Your vanity has different settings. There we go. Lights. On the side you have lamps, your phone, and some more ports back here. As you can see, our stroller did not fit under this bed. These kind of poked out, so we couldn't put it all the way under. We kind of are hiding it. So if you have a stroller, it might not fit under the bed. Under the lamps, you have another USB port. Here's the king size bed. We put all of our suitcases under the bed, so those were able to fit.
Here's the TV right here, right in front of the bed, which is what I like.
It's a nice size TV too.
Nice little flat screen.
Next to the bed, we have our closet area. So this one has like baskets. We used it for clothes, shoes, and like little stuff. And then over here, you have another port and another USB port under your lamp. So that's going to be your closet space. It was enough room. We had a quick trip, so we only had, 4 days worth of clothes. But 7 days, I think still fits in there, depending on how many people you have. Then we have a full-length mirror for you when you're getting ready. Okay, we didn't realize this until like day 2. This opens. So if you come over here, you'll see you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more shelves for storage and a safe. Here's the safe and some shelving behind the mirror. And I would say it's not a big safe. Like, you can't fit a laptop in there. So you can tell this is an iPhone. So that's what it looks like in there. So you probably can fit a tablet in there. Oh, look at this, you guys. So here's your thermostat, but it also controls your lighting. So you can do movie lighting. Ooh. You can have morning. There's a couple settings. So that's a really modern technology that they have, the different lighting. All right, let's move on to the bathroom. First up, you have a hook on the door. Make sure you ask for those robes on day 1. All right, next to the toilet, you have some shelves, about 3 shelves. Standard toilet. And then here's your vanity. You have 1, 2, 3 shelves to the side. And then some shelving down here. Your trash can. And some other storage space. And then your shower is all enclosed. It opens up like that. Have your shower head. Have some shelves in here as well. And look at this, a seat in here too. DJ had fun with that. He loved that. You also have 2 hooks in here and a rack. So we used a lot of that space to dry our clothes. All right, and that is our interior room on Star of the Seas. Okay, so this is the cool thing about this ship, and they might have it on other ships. But so they have your regular rooms like that where it's just the doors. But then look, some rooms have their own little like entry and you can close the door.
Hey, Dad, what's that?
I don't think you can tell. It's so
Hey,
cool.
what's that?
And you can just lock that outside door. You have access to 2 rooms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Cruising with Lou for more cruising content.